Bula from Fiji. The sun is going down and it is gorgeous. Check out the views right over there. You can see the marina here on Denarau Island. And we have a beautiful property here available for sale right here where I'm standing is your own private boat jetty. And you can get one of these guys, some of those kayaks, perhaps some jet skis. Walk with me up the pontoon ramp here, and if we're adventurous, we can grab one of these coconuts over there. And I'm going to show you this spectacular home that we have in Denarau Island. Little combination of modern, and it also has that traditional. And you can see here we have a bourrée with that nice natural thatching, carved wood pillars here. Some great sitting area to come in. It's all lit up at night, really beautiful. Great pavers, grass area for the kids. Got the tiki torches. We're going to show you a couple bedrooms downstairs. Upstairs they're using as sort of a game room right now. You could convert that into a fourth bedroom or perhaps an office, but really beautiful home as you can see. Swimming pool here, the loungers with the umbrella. And I'm going to walk you through the home. And this is about, again, 15-20 minutes away from the international airport. Comes as is, fully furnished, barbecue inclusive, patio furniture, just another walk around view of this stunning home. So we're going to go into the separate master suite here, and you can see beautiful 4-poster bed. Look at that. Nice Fijian furnishings here. You have a desk, so in case you have to do some work, no excuse, we can get that done. Nice wardrobes over here, great area for your shoes. Boom, soaking tub with the jets. Yeah, that feels good after you're doing some snorkeling or surfing. Maybe some scuba diving here with some of the famous soft coral diving that Fiji has to offer. So there's one of the bedrooms. Walk with me now. Here's the front entrance, a doorway here and here as well. Golf cart just out there. Has a 2-car enclosed garage tiled throughout. Really, really clean too. And you have an extra fridge here for all the extra beers, perhaps, cold beverages when you're going out, probably doing all that fun beach activities. This owner does a lot of fishing as well. So great fishing here. Really incredible pelagic fishing for tuna, wahoo, walu, barracuda. Here's this great kitchen, by the way. Look at that cook. And here you go, trust your instincts. You're thinking, man, this house may be something kind of special, and I could see my family living here. Well, get everybody around your smartphone or your laptop right now. You can see the Fisher Paykel gas burner stovetop with the vent hood, the dishwasher, really nice big oven. He does a lot of cooking here too, so you can see a lot of the big prep station. Lots and lots of storage, wood block on each side, and a great bar counter too. And you can see the great room, nice vaulted ceilings. This is very traditional Fijian design here. So again, you get the really great combo. You want to come to Fiji, but you don't want something super, super modern that you can see anywhere else in the world. You really want to capture the design elements and a lot of the natural woods that Fiji's famous for, like this palm wood here, which is from Pacific Green. And you can see nice accent wood detail here in the great room. Nice side yard here, and then you also have, again, open access to the pool, sitting area, barbecue, covered area, and just straight out to the boat jetty that we came from. So I'm going to show you downstairs. Look at how huge that flat screen TV is. Everything you see here comes with the property. This is fully furnished, turnkey, ready for you. There you go. Look at that. Nice. It's all about family. So here's a beautiful, nice shower enclosure in the downstairs. And these 2 rooms downstairs, he's had kids, so you can see these are all set up perfectly. Big wardrobes for nice things to put in over here. Aircon in each room. And then the downlights in each one of these rooms has access to this nice backyard. And there is that Fijian sunset that we're all just loving right now. And wherever you are in the world, you may be thinking, hey man, I wish I was sitting right under that bourrée right there with a nice Fijian rum or a Fiji Gold or a Fiji Bitter beer and just taking it all in. Look at those tiki torches. Light those up and you're in the pool. Here's the other bedroom downstairs. Fully furnished. Grab the kids, get those airline tickets, and come on here. Here's some more inspiration for you. And you can see this has its own ensuite shower stall. Really, really cute here. Great, great family home. If you're thinking of coming to Denarau and purchasing a great Fijian home, this is a real winner. You're going to want to find out more about pricing and all the details. Go to professionalsfiji.com and call us at +679 999 2051, and we'll tell you all about it. Set up for a bar here. Mini fridge, sink, great bar. You put some bar stools here. But hey, why not a little ping pong, or if you're adventurous, a little beer pong. Probably put up a big flat screen over there. Lots of room here. So again, an extra 4th bedroom, perhaps home office, or you keep it as is, as a really fun, entertaining space for guests. So bring your furniture if you want, or grab it here in Fiji. We'll help you. We can get food delivery. We can help you with packages getting delivered here. If you need a boat to go right in your backyard, jet skis, cars, golf buggies, we can do all of that for you here at Professionals FIJI Real Estate, the #1 real estate agency here in Fiji. So there you have it. This is a gorgeous home in the Riverside Gardens precinct on Denarau Island, the gem and crown jewel of Fiji, just waiting for you to get here. We hope you're safe, we hope you're happy, and we will see you soon. Vinaka!